I am very hungry. Should we eat at the new burger restaurant?
Yes, please. I love burgers and crispy French fries.
First, I will call the restaurant to book a table for 4 people. Hello. I would like to make a reservation for 7 p.m. tonight.
Everyone is ready. Let's go. I am excited to try their special sauce.
The restaurant is on Main Street. It is only 5 minutes away. Here we are, the Golden Burger. It looks very busy and popular. Good evening. Do you have a reservation for tonight? Yes. A table for 4 under the name Carter, please. Follow me, please. This is your table. Here are your menus.
Everything on this menu looks delicious. What should we drink first?
I want a strawberry milkshake with extra whipped cream, please.
Can I have a cold lemonade? I am very thirsty after the car ride.
Are you ready to order your drinks? Or do you need more time? We are ready. We will have 1 lemonade and 1 strawberry milkshake.
And for me, just a glass of sparkling water with a slice of lemon.
I will have a black coffee. No sugar and no milk, please. Perfect. I will bring those right away. Are you ready for the food? Not yet. We need a few more minutes to decide on the main course. Ordering food is fun. It is a good way to practice our English conversation. I think I will have the classic cheeseburger. It looks very juicy.
I want something healthy. I will order the garden salad with grilled chicken.
Can I have the spicy chicken wings? I like foods hot.
Okay, everyone, what can I get for you today? I would like the cheeseburger, please. But can I have it without onions?
I'll have the garden salad. Could you please put the dressing on the side?
Can I have the mini pizza? And can I have extra cheese on it?
I'll have the spicy wings. How many pieces come in one order?
6 choices. Your food will be ready in 15 minutes. Now we just wait. The restaurant smells wonderful. I am so hungry. The food is here. It looks even better than the pictures.
This pizza is so yummy. The cheese is very stretchy.
My salad is very fresh and crunchy. I am glad I ordered it.
That was a fantastic meal. I am very full. Is everyone finished? How was everything? Would you like to see the dessert menu? No, thank you. We are too full for dessert. Can I have the bill, please? The total is $85. I will pay with my credit card. The service was excellent. I will leave a generous tip for the waiter. Thank you for joining the Carter family. Enjoy your next meal in English. Goodbye.